My name is Luke Ahrens, and I am a junior at the University of Miami studying marine science and meteorology. I did the research cruise back in my freshman year and also my sophomore year.
Hi, I'm Isabel Sturba, and I'm a sophomore at the Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science, and I'm a marine affairs major.
My experience overall was very good. I ended up going a second time because the first one went so well. And one of the most memorable things for me personally was meeting with a lot of my professors and the researchers and really developing relationships with them.
The future would like to write marine policy, specifically polar policy, and I thought that just going out there and getting firsthand experience was really good, and it allowed me to really understand the science behind it all, so that when I do get to go write policy, I know what is going on out on the research cruises.
Coming from a landlocked state such as Minnesota, I never really had the opportunity to get out on the water, and growing up I always had an interest in marine science, but I couldn't really figure out if research was the path to go in that field. So getting the opportunity to actually get on a boat let me realize that research was something that I would want to do with that career, as well as meteorology, and how I could put those two together and incorporate them through air-sea interactions and data collection, and also just interpreting data.
We put in a net tow, which is like a fine meshed fabric that we tow behind the boat in order to catch really small organisms. And then we get to take them out and examine them under a microscope.
On the boat, we collected CTT data, and we analyzed that at different depths, and also collected water samples at different depths to see the oxygen contents and other contents throughout the water column. And then we also did a few nutrient algae tolls.
I do believe that this is a very important program because going out there, I really got a full perspective on how the ocean can really help the environment. Going down and seeing all these little creatures, seeing what the pressure and the depth of the ocean can do made me truly understand my place in the world, and helped me understand just global cycle processes that are very important to understanding our future climate.
I chose the University of Miami as my undergrad because it is unlike any other school, and I also saw that they had a lot of opportunities for students such as this one with the research cruise to really develop your research skills and understand what you want to do before you get into the real world, so you can kind of have a level up on some of the other people from other schools with these opportunities that are unlike any other place.